Alrighty, this video is going to be just talking about the market. No trades for me today. Um, Market, what's moving, what's setting up, and what. Um, yeah, I kind of like review of some trades, and just like it might be a longer video. Kind of like an analysis of what's going on and everything. But first, starting off, positions. Still, let's see, positions. Still an app. Still in DRS, getting a little weak, it's pissing me off. It's super slow though, so gotta expect that with these stocks. Hood just trucking along, fantastic. And LEU keeps trucking along too. Looked very weak yesterday, right back up, very strong. Let's look at Oglo, okay. Alrighty, so other than that, I had a short thesis today on a stock. Now, that's not this one. The stock was ASST. So I borrowed 5,000 shares on it, and I didn't execute it. Anyways, uh, so I saw this in the morning. Let's look at this on the 2-minute chart here. Alrighty. So this was a short thesis that I had coming this morning. So as you can see here, it looked like it was primed to break out on this day, not this day, well the next day, and it kind of did slightly, but then rejected, and then the next day got weak. Um, Especially with the overall market breaking out on a day like this. I'm sorry. Um, yeah. So the day before it broke out, I think the market kind of broke out. I guess if you break out of that range was this day, and then the next day tried to push out, rejected the 10-day, and then got weak with the overall market yesterday. And the way I saw this setting up, right? A lot of these high flyers, kind of like CEP as well. A lot of these high flyers, right, when they get really tight, basically do two things: go up or down, and you just got to be on the right side. And ASST just felt really heavy. There we go. Felt really heavy. Um, it's kind of, I guess, slightly gapping down, if you can call it a gap down. So I was looking into this one in the morning, and I was like, you know what? I want to short it, and I got 5,000 shares because it costed me $4. Um, and I saw it in the morning, obviously, because I was awake, and I saw it come up to. I saw it. Well, so sorry. I'm gonna say I saw it again. I saw it kind of bounce a little bit and come into the red to green. It's red to green levels, and just basically held there for quite a while. It was well, primarily low volume. In the first 2 minutes, there was 125,000 shares, 92,000, 49,000, 39,000, 44,000. So it's kind of low volume in this area, and I was really tempted to short this thing. Um, and I just looked at it and looked at it, and I saw it rejecting uh, red to green here, or green to red. Sorry, whatever. You know what I mean? The open and close line, red to green, green to red, whatever. I saw it reject here about a couple times, so you can see here, pushed up of it, rejected, closed above it, and then the next candle you can see this rejection here. And now this is like minuscule. I mean, it's not really a big move, but once it kind of like got under this VWAP candle here, I probably should have started shorting some. Um, but I just never got into it. So now it's down 13%, which is I mean, I also didn't I didn't make money on it. I was right, but it still kind of sucks. But knowing that my head and that my thesis on some of these stocks are good, it kind of gives me a little bit of comfort because I have been missing a bunch of stuff. Um, Even today, I've been trying to work on my TSSI. This one just I want to punch a hole in my screen with this one. Like serve today. So I got to keep like reminding myself that these high ADR stocks, right? They don't always have to set up perfectly. Like, the average daily volume is 11%. So a 5% day, 5% move day is kind of like super tight, right? So these breakouts, they're very powerful and then they work. So I missed serve today. I also missed. Oh, MVST I wasn't really paying attention to. Wasn't really expecting this, but another setup you could have argued. Um, ABLD, no. QBTS, another one. So look how high this ADR is 13. Oops. Yesterday's move was 5%. The day before was 3%. So pretty tight couple of days here. It's really hard to call this a breakout with the price action yesterday. But I mean, I can still kind of see it on this hourly chart here. Very, very tight. See this? Look at this. Great flag. So I was really kind of iffy to take this trade here. Just unsure of myself. Because once again, taking too many losses. Same thing with QUBT. Same thing here. These all some great setups. These things can make pretty big moves. So I mean, hopefully it comes back down, tightens up. That's what I really want. But doesn't seem like that's what we're gonna get here. So these stocks are each individually up at least over 12, 13% each. Yeah. Then apps yesterday also same thing. Missed it. It's up now 20% from where I could have entered. IONQ, nothing. HIMS coming back up. Oklo coming back up too. Wait for setup there. Sezzle just relentless. Look at the angle of this thing here. That's gotta be like a 45. It's starting to get faster. Almost like it was like kind of here. It was like a 45-degree angle. Now it's speeding up. Now it's like at a 60. I don't know. I don't really know, but you get what I'm trying to say here. Palantir bouncing back from yesterday's debacle. Dave, I was very weary to take it today, although I was kind of showing you yesterday what it looked like, what I was comparing it to. I think it was app, correct? Or AFRM. It looked like app here. Like almost identical to what it is. Literally what identical it is today. Right? Look at this. Look at the setup here. And then go to Dave. Look at this. Identical. Exactly the same. So am I gonna miss this? Maybe. Maybe. I mean, I saw in the morning. I got an alert. Let's see. Where's my alert? Alerts here, Dave. At 2:14. Yeah. So that's not very good. It's not very good at all. All right. I'm back. Sorry, I had to cut it real quickly. What was I saying? Oh yeah. So it's the exact same setup as app had back in when was it? Right here. Right in October. So yeah, we'll see how this does. Cause kind of similar coming from the base bottom, but I think Dave's at all-time highs now. Oh, same thing, similar setup coming from the bottom. All right, things are still moving. All right, going back to app. It's getting weak, or just a little oddity. Jeez. I think I had MVST alert, didn't I? Did I not? I guess I didn't. No, that's not bad. Alright, well, here's another breakout that I missed. So that's not really fun. Alright, what else? What do I want to talk about? We can probably go through like the best opportunities so far. Look at this. My goodness, man. This sucks. It is what it is. Whatever. There'll be more. Wow. I mean, just wow. Look at all this. Look, I missed like 6 setups. Literally 6 of them. Let's go through them. NBIS missed it yesterday. PL missed it. QBTS today. Apps yesterday. Um, serve today. Uh, QUBT today. Just horrendous. Horrendous, 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 horrendous. AST, ASS, oh, it's still going down. Yep, it is. Well, kind of similar to where it was when I first showed you guys. Um, yeah, well, this sucks. Anyways, I forgot what I wanted to talk about. Completely lost my train of thought. MVST, just a great setup. So, okay. Analysis on the market. Let's go here. SPY back up over the 600. If I can hold this, I'll get near all-time highs. That'll be great. That'll be fantastic. Let's see how the semiconductors are doing. Nope, that's not what I wanted. I know AVGO is one of the leaders. Yeah, it's pretty strong. Semiconductors. What else? ARC today was just took off. Look at this thing. Woo! Why? I don't know, because a lot of their portion is Tesla, and Hood makes sense. But Tesla, Hood, and Palantir too. I mean, crazy how this thing's breaking out. Palantir's just so strong. Look at this thing. Nuts. That's what we want to see here. That's exactly what we want to see. Rocket Lab missed the bounce on it this morning too. I saw it, bounce off red to green, or green to red today. It's just insane bounce. Pretty good one too. Let's look at the 2-minute chart here. Light the way. There we go. That was today, right? Yeah. Look at this. This big bounce here. Just sold off in the morning. About 6%. Bounced right off the green to red, and then now it's up. I don't know how much percentage. Let's see. 9%. Very nice. Ava going right through. I missed Ava too. I missed so many opportunities. So many. I'm still missing them. TSSI I missed. Was in QBTS. Missed this one right now today. Missed MVST today. Serve today. Apps yesterday. APLD this day. Ava this day. Rocket Lab today. INQ not really. HIMS missed it back here on earnings. Sezzle missed it back here. Oklo, no setup here. Hood in this one still. Congrats. Palantir waiting. LEU, I'm in this one. Dave. Could probably be a miss if this can just go next week. CoreWeave. Missed it out of this breakout here. T-Dub still don't think it's breaking out yet. CEP missed one, this one, and this one. Groupon missed it here and here. I wouldn't say this is a continuation, not a breakout. HRTG waiting for this one. NBIS missed it. HSAI nothing. CLS out of it, but I mean it's super tight today, so it's good to see. App in this one, but technically missed this setup here. TMC missed this one. Oddity missed this one. PL missed this one. Carvana too slow, a little too slow for me. CRDO not ready. IPI looks ready, but has yet to break out. CMP same thing, looks ready. And TOI. So a lot of misplays here. Tons of misplays. I think I'm gonna open up my Evernote database, and I'm probably not gonna do it on video. It's gonna take too long, but I'm probably gonna start writing down the best opportunities and why. I might do a separate video, like maybe after this one, like a deep analysis on the trades that I missed and the trades that here, look at my report cards. Notes. This one. What did I talk about? This one. Liberation Day says bear market. Marketer. I don't know what that means. Let's look at compared to now. Look at this. I think I saw it this day here. That's when I caught these moves. Or, yeah, this gap down here. This day. This was intraday, I believe. There's Apple. Amazon. What's Amazon at now? 213. Meta. Look at Meta now. At 511. It's up 36% since. Nvidia 95. What's that? Alright, yes, this is some of the biggest stocks of that time period. I'm looking for my other notes. Or my, here we go, notebooks. Just some analysis on how I analyze these trades. I'm probably gonna have to do it with all of these, all the ones that I missed and the ones that I took. Because I need to start nutting up or something. Like, this is getting ridiculous. How do I miss all these moves? I missed like 8 of them this past week. And I lost money too. It's so ridiculous. All right, that's it. So I just wanted to rant a little bit, talk about setups, what I'm in, what I've missed, and how frustrating it is. But that's all right. Whatever. There's more opportunities coming. So.